If you haven't already done so, please watch my first two Pepeke ʻAike videos. To review, do you remember what a Pepeke ʻAike is? The Pepeke ʻAike is used to identify who or what someone or something is. There are two Pepeke ʻAike sentences, the Pepeke ʻAike o and the Pepeke ʻAike he. In this video, let's learn how to use this Pepeke to ask who or what someone or something is. Do you remember these images? If I want to ask who this is, say ʻOwaiʻi keia. When you use the po'o ʻowaiʻi, you are asking for the name of someone or something. To answer, simply substitute the word vai for the name. ʻOwaiʻi keia, o haunani keia. Who is this? This is haunani. ʻOwaiʻi keia, o leʻahi keia. Who is this? This is leʻahi. The po'o ʻowaiʻi can either be translated as who or what, and the reply should always be a name. The next question we can ask with this Pepeke ʻAike is he aha. He aha can also be translated as what? He aha keia mau ki'i. What are these pictures? When using he aha, you are asking for a description or title. He aha keia, he wahine keia. What is this? This is a woman. If we change up the piko, you could ask he aha oia, he aha o haunani, he aha keia wahine. What is she? What is haunani? What is this woman? And the answer can be as varied as the question. He wahine oia, he mama oia, he hoaloha oia. She is a female, she is a mom, she is a friend. Like our first Pepeke ʻAike question, a simple way to answer he aha is to substitute the word aha with your answer. He aha keia, he pu'u keia. What is this? This is a cone. You can see in this table, all we did to answer this question is substitute the answer in place of aha. ʻOwaiʻi and he aha are two questions we can ask with Pepeke ʻAike.